Hi guys, welcome to our Gemstone channel. Today I will explain you as our topic running now on the Topaz, which is coming from different regions of the world, different countries of the world, and the color of the stone is white, blue, pink, golden, and other colors also can be improved with the heating of the stone, with the treatment of the stone. And in the last video I already explained that the stone can be enhanced, the color and the clarity. How is it possible, how the people do that? And in this video especially I will explain you the controversial things and superstitious matters in the world running going on the market and the world. The people, somebody said the people can wear this stone, people can wear by the star, by the name, and this stone can be wear, this stone is having disadvantages and having side effects, this stone having so many much more benefits and so many things going in the market. So I want to explain, and in my opinion there is no stone that is not beneficial for the human being, because the chemistry of the person, of the human body, and the chemistry of the stone like gemstone is the same like as in the human body. The basic chemistry like calcium, potassium, iron, you can say copper, and other many minerals are same like human being, same like stones. And so that's why the person or a human being can use anyway, anytime, any stone and get benefited from these gemstones. So these stones, why these are stones so expensive? There is a reason, there is a secret, there is a secret behind that. That's why they are so much expensive and only using in the jewelry. So you can wear without any problem. In my opinion, if you want to wear this specially for your any treatment, any remedy, any spiritual problem, so you have to consult before wearing a stone with your astrologist, with your specialist, spiritual specialist that will explain and that will advise you according to the stone, which stone you wear, which stone, the size and the metal will be used, and other many things will be clear by the advice. And if you can advise, you wear advised stones, then I think you will be more get more benefited, get more accurate things, and more benefits within minimum time. So it is very beneficial for you if you consult with anybody. So in the next video, in the next videos, I will learn you more and more gemstone. There are too much stones in the market running right nowadays, up to 200 stones in the market. I will explain you every kind of stone, every every point of the stone. So see you next.